Okay, hi everyone. I'm going to talk us through self-quizzing at the Bridge Academy. Self-quizzing is the process of doing look, cover, write and correct, and it is the way that we do all of our homework in year 7, 8 and 9 at the Bridge Academy. Okay, so here we have our revision folder, we have our jotter page, and we also have our blue or black pen and our green pen. So inside our revision folder we will have a whole range of knowledge organisers that will come from our subjects. So what we need to do today is we need to take out the knowledge organiser that we are going to be self-quizzing on. Okay, so this is the look stage of the look, cover, write, correct process. Our teacher has asked us to do part 1 of our knowledge organiser, so we are only going to be revising these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 words. So what I need to do, I need to read through each word and their definitions, and I might recite them in my head or I might say them out loud. So here we have objective, based on facts rather than opinion. So I would say that out loud, I'd read it in my head, and I would read it again and again and again, and that process might take 3 or 4 minutes of me reading through these words and trying to get them into my head. So we are now going to start the write section of the look, cover, write, correct process. As you can see, we've now finished with the knowledge organiser, so we're going to cover that, we're going to turn it over, and once we've done that we are now ready to start writing. And you can see I've already started one here. We've got some writing in the black, which is the information I could remember, and in green you'll see when we come to the correct section, that's when we are checking our work. So we're going to start now by writing everything we can remember. And so I'll continue like that, on and on, until I have written everything that I could remember from reading that knowledge organiser. So we've written down everything we can remember, so now we get to the final stage, the really important stage, the correct stage. So we're going to turn our knowledge organiser back over, and we're going to look at what we have written, and we are going to correct it. So we're going to read through these words in detail, and cross-reference it with what we've done here. We might tick something that we've done well, but far more likely is we're going to have missed out one of these definitions. So the word existence is one that I forgot to write down, so I will write down the definition of existence again. So this is a process that you will repeat again and again until you have filled up one full side of A4. And hopefully by that time you will have learnt that section from the knowledge organiser, and you will then be quizzed on it in your lessons with a 10-question quiz. Remember that every single night you will be expected to complete 2 sides of A4 self-quizzing, leaving no lines and no gaps, and making sure to have plenty of green pen showing that you have corrected your work. Good luck!